Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to blur in Filmora. Blurring in Filmora involves using the mosaic effect to obscure the part of your video. So here is how you can blur in Filmora. Launch open the Filmora application to get started. After you are in the main home page, click on the New Project button. Select a video clip you want to blur from your device's camera roll. After choosing a video clip, click on Import at the bottom right. You will be taken to the editing screen now. Go ahead and select a video clip you want to edit from your timeline and go through the options at the bottom. Choose Mosaic from the menu and select one of the mosaic option you want to apply onto your video. Once you select one of the mosaic option, go ahead and increase or decrease the mosaic tool by sliding the edges from your screen like this as shown on the top. Cover the part of the video that you don't want it to be visible. Make sure to drag and drop the blur effect onto the section of the video you want to blur. You can also adjust the intensity of the blur effect using the slider at the bottom of the screen. You can also typically blur specific areas by dragging the edges on the mosaic effect on the timeline. After you are done, click on the tick mark at the bottom right to apply the effect, and finally tap on Export at the top right corner in order to export your video clip. So that is how you will be able to blur a video clip in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.